You're from Bangalore only, no?
Yeah.
Karnataka, Mysore, sorry.
Now we are in Bangalore.
Okay, I remember your case. Oh my God, very difficult. Okay, so day 12, we're taking off this splint for this gentleman who had 13 prior surgeries. Hannah, you had 13 surgeries, right?
Yes.
13 surgeries he's had before in different hospitals. First time here with us. So I'm going to just explain what all we've done basically. So we've done improvement with his upper lip and nose. And right. There's still a lot of swelling, especially here. You can see. And I want to show you some more views. So you see, literally no columella. So now we've got a columella there. This was totally attached down. This is very challenging redo. Look here. Yes. It will get even better. Huh?
Okay.
Come after maybe few weeks. And they'll give you some tablets for 2 weeks. Atagod bidi. Amele checkup ke bani. Then I will tell you.
Skin line. Need surgery?
No surgery after 2 weeks. Just follow up. Nose and lip will look good.
Okay.
Very good. Lip length also have increased. Thickness has been increased. If you put your tongue inside, you will see a lot of stitches will be there. So that will be all good. If you want teeth, if you want this, we can think of it later on. But first I want all of this to heal very well. It will take time for you. 3 months, 2 months it will take. So come after 3 weeks or 4 weeks. Okay? Chalo, bye. Clean panni, photos eduthu ha.
ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಇನ್ನು ಇದು ಸ್ವೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದು
ಸ್ವೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ
ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಏನು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದು ಸಪೋಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ನಾನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು 9 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ 1 ವರ್ಷದ ಮೇಲೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈಗ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೂಡ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇದೇ ಥರ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್
ನೋಡುವ, ಒಂದು 90% ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಪ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.